I just don't have time. How many times have you looked in the mirror and whispered to yourself, I wish I could get in shape, but I'm just too tired? Maybe you're a busy mom juggling kids, meals, and laundry. Maybe you're working long hours and by the time you get home your body just wants rest. Or maybe you've started a workout routine before, but gave up because it felt too overwhelming, too hard, or too time-consuming. You are not alone. At Glownest, we hear your stories. The silent guilt, the invisible pressure, the endless comparison on social media. And in the middle of it all, your body is a temple that needs care. No criticism, just asking for a little bit of love. Here's the truth. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need to join a gym, you don't need an hour. What you do need is 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, right from your living room, in your PJs if you like. That's all it takes to begin. So, let's start this journey together with no judgment, just movement and self-love. Why working out feels so hard sometimes? Before we dive into the workout, let's talk about why fitness often feels like a mountain we can't climb, especially for beginners. Women wear 1,000 hats: caretaker, career woman, homemaker, friend, daughter. With so many responsibilities, squeezing an exercise can honestly feel impossible. Many women avoid working out because they feel insecure, afraid of doing it wrong or being judged, even by themselves. A lot of workout plans are built for athletes, not everyday women just starting out. They're just too long, too intense, or they require equipment we just don't have. Stress, menstruation, thyroid issues, or perimenopause can zap your energy, making workouts feel like climbing Everest. The good news? Movement doesn't have to be intense to be effective. Science shows that even short bursts of exercise can boost your energy, mood, metabolism, and confidence. Let's start small, let's start kind. Here's your 10-minute, no-equipment home workout plan for beginners. This beginner-friendly routine needs zero equipment and fits into even the busiest day. Whether you're in your pajamas or leggings, you can totally do this. Every move is simple, safe, and designed for all fitness levels. All right, let's get started with our warm-up. For 1 minute, this gentle movement will get your blood flowing and help prevent injury. First, we'll march in place for 30 seconds. Just lift those knees and swing your arms. And now, let's move on to arm circles. We'll do 15 seconds forward and 15 seconds backward. This will really help loosen up those shoulders. Now let's dive into bodyweight squats. Here's how you do it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and make sure your knees stay behind your toes. Then, rise back up slowly. And hey, if you can't go low, don't worry. Just do a half squat. You're still moving, and that's what really matters. Next up, we have standing knee lifts for 1 minute. This exercise is great because it boosts your heart rate and strengthens your core and legs. Here's how you do it. Stand tall and raise your right knee to your chest. Lower it, then lift your left knee. Keep moving at a steady pace. And here's a tip. Add a slight arm swing to increase your calorie burn. Keep it up. All right, let's move on to wall push-ups for 1 minute. This exercise is great because it strengthens your arms, chest, and core without putting strain on your joints. To do it, stand facing a wall with your arms shoulder-width apart. Place your hands on the wall and step back slightly. Lower your chest toward the wall, then push back. And here's a tip. Keep your core tight for some added belly toning benefits. Next up, we have glute bridges for 1 minute. This exercise is fantastic as it tones your butt, back, and thighs while supporting lower back health. To perform it, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Press through your heels and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes, then lower down slowly. Remember, exhale as you lift to activate your core muscles. Now let's finish with a fun 1 minute step touch and clap. This is a low-impact cardio move that boosts energy. Start by stepping to the right, then bring your left foot in and clap. Repeat to the left. Keep it light and rhythmic. And don't forget to add a smile because joy is cardio too. All right, let's take this time to cool down and focus on our breathing. Start with a gentle side stretch, reaching your arms overhead and leaning from side to side. Now, let's move into some neck rolls, gently rolling your head in slow circles. And don't forget to breathe deeply. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 2, and exhale for 6. Let your breath guide your calm. You did it. You showed up. That's powerful. Let's dive into why these short workouts are so effective. Don't underestimate 10 minutes of research. Just 10 minutes of movement can boost endorphins, lifting your mood and reducing anxiety. It also improves circulation, enhancing oxygen flow, which helps reduce brain fog and fatigue. Short bursts of movement can activate your metabolism, raising your calorie burn all day. Even low-impact moves strengthen your heart and muscles, increasing cardiovascular and muscular health over time. And most importantly, it builds momentum. The hardest part of fitness is starting. Once you start showing up, your confidence grows. Tips to stay consistent. Sticking to a workout habit is just, honestly, so much easier when it's enjoyable and flexible. Set the bar low on purpose. Start with just 10 minutes, 3 days a week. Consistency matters more than duration. Pick a trigger habit. Link your workout to something you already do, after brushing your teeth, before your morning coffee, or maybe after putting the kids to bed. Use a mirror, not a scale. Notice how you feel, not just how you look. More energy? Better sleep? That's a success. Be your own cheerleader. Say it out loud. I'm proud of myself for moving today. Your words matter. Final thoughts. You deserve to feel strong, dear beautiful soul. You've spent so long taking care of everyone else. It's time to come home to yourself. This 10-minute workout isn't just about fitness, it's about reclaiming your body, one breath and one step at a time. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. So today, roll out your mat, or don't. Just find a soft spot on the carpet and move with love. You are worthy of health. You are worthy of strength. You are worthy of joy. Your next step. Try this workout today, just once. Then come back tomorrow and do it again. And if it helps you, even share this guide with a sister, a friend, or a mama who needs it too. Let's create a movement of women moving together, stronger, softer, and side by side. With love, Glownest, your companion in self-love, wellness, and transformation. Thank you.